Lakshmi Sahasra.
I am Amritavarshini.
Today we are going to show you how to make veg pizza. The materials required are
English oven pizza piece,
mozzarella cheese, tomato, capsicum, paneer,
sweet corn, onions, pizza sauce, seasonings are chili flakes, oregano. Let's begin
it.
So, now we have to take the pizza base, take pizza sauce and spread it.
Now we have to put the cheese.
Now let's put the vegetables.
Capsicum,
Onions,
tomatoes,
sweet corns,
paneer, cheese, now let's put the pizza into the oven.
Now we are going to bake our pizza in IFB oven. So for that we are going to use the pizza mode. So when we click it, it will show 150 grams. Yeah, so we have to keep 300 grams. So when we click it once more, it will come 300 grams. So let's put the pizza. Now we'll be clicking the start option.
Now it's showing 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes the pizza is ready.
Wow, yummy pizza is ready. Let's put the seasonings.